Here is my friend's 1969 Lennox again, running on a really hot day. It is. Let me check the temperature. There's Mickey, the border collie. Mickey. Let's see what the temperature is. You want to play fetch? You want me to kick that for you? My friend's dog is weird. He loves playing fetch, but he won't let me touch him. He's very skittish. You just want to play fetch, don't you? There you go. Get the ball, Mickey. Alright, air conditioner. And I was going to see what the temperature is. Alright, hold on a minute, boy. It is 88 degrees right now. Humidity makes it feel a hell of a lot warmer. And it isn't even summer yet. It isn't even June yet. You just want to keep playing fetch. Hold on a minute. Wish I could see the fan. For being almost 45 years old, this thing's pretty quiet. And there's a house over there. I'm pretty sure that's by the same builder. You can see it has a window unit up there. I'm guessing that the, you can see it has a window unit right there. I am guessing that the central air isn't adequate enough to keep the upstairs even. My friend's parents have the same problem with this house. The air conditioner works, but it's very uneven upstairs. It's considerably warmer upstairs than it is downstairs. So that's why I'm guessing that house over there has a window unit. And there's the Mini again, and the 93 Camaro Z28. I hear another air conditioner running. Wish there was more to see. All right. '69 Lennox running. Well, it's a straight cool unit. Used to say running in cool mode when I'm filming heat pumps, but it's a straight cool unit, so it's just running. 1969 Lennox central air conditioner. Second video. Alright, out. And there's Devin. A couple of Camaros. One of the Corvettes. And I just got my laser pointer out of the truck. And no, you can't come out, Devin. Gonna see how hot the air coming out of that condenser really is. What's this, a giant tennis ball?
Yeah, it's a giant tennis ball.
That one of the dogs deflated?
Yeah, Mickey deflated that.
The air coming out of the fan grill is like 120 degrees. It's normal. In a minute. Alright. And there's the line set. So well insulated, it's hard to tell. It is so damn hot. And it's going to be about 90 tomorrow as well. Alright, thank you for watching. Oh no, wait, I'm not done yet. I'm going to see how cold the air coming out of the inside vent is. I'll be back.
I don't know why someone did that, but I think they did that for kids and babies.
Probably.
Yeah.
Actually, I thought poodles were very, very intelligent.
Depends on the poodle. His personality is just like them.
Video of the Chihuahua that actually got into the.
A friend of mine online has
trash
a
can?
toilet cat, has a cat that falls into the toilet on a weekly basis.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, goodness.
Her cat just literally gets up on the toilet seat and falls in on a weekly basis. And this is a weekly occurrence. Like every week, she's like, toilet cat got in.
Hey, he just went upstairs.